This 2022 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Fulton Decor, Toffee Glazed Maple Cabinets interior, sleeps 4, self-contained, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, external shower, LP detector, awning, slideout, TV antenna, smoke detector, Colorado detector, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.